Let's see how to make lines thicker in Canva. First, we open a design, or in this case, we need to start a new one. Let's select whiteboards and whiteboard. Once you're on the design page, head over to the left-hand panel and click on the Elements tab. From here, scroll down or search for lines in the search bar. You'll see different types of lines you can add to your design. Search for lines. Here, it's in shapes. After clicking See All, we can see different types of lines. Let's select this line. Once you've added a line to your canvas, click on it to select it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with several options. To adjust the thickness of the line, look for the weight option. That's here. I think it's here on line style. Here. After clicking on the line style, we can see that now there's a slider for line weight. This controls the line's thickness. If we drag the line to the right, it makes the line thicker. If we drag the slider to the left, it makes it thinner. By default, it was set to 4 if I recall correctly, but I want it to be a bit thicker, so let's just change it to 6 or 7. If you want to adjust the color of the line, we can just click on the line color option. You can change it to yellow, white. Oh, that low-key made it invisible. Let's just choose aqua blue. You can also rotate the line by clicking on this button and dragging. And that's it. That's how you make lines thicker in Canva. See you soon!